Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make another granny square that's called a floral granny square. I used the picot stitch in this one, double crochet, single crochet and slip stitch. Let's make it together. First of all, I'm going to make a ring. Four chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now slip stitch in the first chain to make a ring. Now first row. In first row we are going to make 16 double crochet plus 16 chains. So chain 4, we will count 3 chain as a double crochet and 1 chain as a chain between the double crochets. So that's my second double crochet and chain 1. Again third double crochet and chain 1. This way I'm going to make 16 double crochet, and in between every double crochet we make 1 chains. So all together 16 crochet plus 16 chain. So first round is done. Now we have 16 double crochet. In second round we have to make picot. So in picot stitch we are going to make 16 picot stitch, and after each picot we are going to make 1 chain. So I take in the beginning 3 chains and 4 loops for picot, because I am counting the chains as a picot loop. So chain 1, and now you can see I will take 5 loops for 1 picot. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 all together, and make 1 more chain. Now every time you are making picot in the chain of first row, because we make a chain between each double crochet. Now on above the chain we have to make each picot. You can see now. So total of 16 picot and 16 chains in second row. Slip stitch in the end to complete the row. You can see now the second row is done. Actually not row, the round. Okay, now we are going to make a third round. I cut the yarn and changed into another color for round 4. In the round 4 you can see the gaps, 1 chain gap between each picot. We are going to make another 16 picot in this row. I make a slip stitch because I want to start my work from the middle of 2 picots. So I make 1 slip stitch so I can go into middle of 2 picot. Now again 5 loops, okay, but this time between each picot we are going to make 2 chains. In previous row we made 1 chain between 2 picots, and in this one we are going to make 2 chains. So I made 2 chains, again 1 more picot, So there will be 16 picot and 32 chains in this round. Third round complete. Now I cut the yarn and join another yarn for next round. Now we are going to work on these two chains gap. Between these two picots we have a 2 chain gaps. Now we're going to make another round between these two gaps, 2 chains gap. Okay, now you have to make 3 chain to start the new round. One, two, three. I will count these 3 chains as 1 double crochet and making 2 double crochet. Okay, so this is the corner of my granny square, so that's why I'm making 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and then again 3 double crochet in same 2 chain gap. 1, 2, 3. So you can see this is the corner of my granny square. Okay, no, we don't have to make another chain. Straight after 3 double crochet we have to make 3 more double crochet in next gap of 2 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Again another gap, 3 double crochet, another 3 double crochet, and another gap again, make 3 double crochet, now another double crochet. So you can see there is 1, 2 and 3 set of 3 double crochet between each corners. Now again 1, 2, 3, and now make 2 chains because this is the corner, and again 1, 2 and 3. Okay, you can see now again we have to repeat the same thing, 3 sets of double crochet in each gap of 2 chains like this, and repeat it. This round is finished, and slip stitch to join this round. You can see here. Now in row number 5 we are going to make single crochet in each and every stitch. Now slip stitch in the last stitch. Okay, round number 5 complete. In the last round we are going to make slip stitch again on each stitch like this, slip stitch in each and every stitch of the round like this. Keep going Now the scare is complete. Cut the yarn and secure all the loose ends of the yarn. And you can see the finished product now. I hope you enjoyed it. It's very easy to make. See you again. Bye.